Hey everybody, this is Preacher Man R&B. What I'm going to be doing on Wednesdays is Flash Review Wednesdays. And the Flash episode we just got was an episode with the villain of this episode, Peekaboo. She's basically DC's form of Nightcrawler. She could teleport, and the only way she could teleport is she could see where she's going. So she busts her boyfriend up out of the jail, and then they go off on a crime spree and start stealing a lot of money. So Barry goes after her, and Barry catches her at the end of it. And other parts of the show, Barry and Caitlin Snow go out because they're trying to get over Firestorm and Iris. And Barry meets a new girl at the club, and we find out that she works with Iris, and maybe this is a way they're going to make it where Iris gets jealous of the girl that Barry's with, and maybe this leads up to them starting to be together. And another plot is Cisco and Pied Piper. Pied Piper shows Cisco what happens to Ronnie Raymond, how Professor Stein and Ronnie Raymond merged to become Firestorm. And that's what the next episode is going to be about them finding Ronnie Raymond and trying to split them apart, and just going to introduce us more to Firestorm and what he's going to be doing throughout the rest of the season. And how they catch Peekaboo is Barry's father that's in jail helps them, get some information about the guy that Peekaboo and her boyfriend's working for. And this winds up getting Barry's father stabbed, and he's in the infirmary. And close to the end of the episode, Barry gets Iris takes a picture of Barry as the Flash and does a story about it. And Barry's father has the newspaper when they're talking, and she says that it's a coincidence that the guy that stabbed Barry's father escaped and said the Flash did it. And then Barry says if he was the Flash, he would be first to tell him. And then Barry's father tells Barry if his son was Flash, he would tell him that he's doing good and that he's proud of him. And at the end of the episode, they tease Grodd, and these two sewer workers go down to the sewers, and when they shine the light on the wall, it says Grodd a bunch of times, and then they go out throughout the sewers, and we get our first look at Gorilla Grodd, and he attacks the sewer workers, and then it cuts to black. This is what I'm going to be doing on Wednesdays. It's going to be Flash Review Wednesdays, and I'm going to be reviewing the Flash. And just let me know what y'all think, and like and subscribe. This is Preacher Man R&B signing out. God is good. Jesus is awesome. I'll see y'all later. Have a nice day.